If you want to show holidays on your Samsung calendar but they aren't appearing, here's how to fix it. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Google Calendar. Install the app, then open it and complete the setup. Next, open the Samsung Calendar app and tap the three-line menu. Tap Manage Calendars, then enable your Google Calendar. Now go back, tap the three-line menu again, scroll down, and you'll see the Holidays option. Tap it to enable Holiday Calendars. That's it. Your holidays should now appear successfully in Samsung Calendar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.